Probably a week does not go by that I don't receive a phone call from an individual who's somewhat frantic, scared, and confused because they've received a letter from the DHSMV telling them that their license is about to be suspended. Now, these suspensions can range from a wide variety of things, from an unpaid ticket, they've been classified as an habitual traffic offender, they're having issues with child support, there's some type of financial judgment that's been levied against them, and as a result of that judgment, their license is being suspended. Generally, once an individual receives this letter, the suspension is going to go into effect in approximately 15 to 30 days. During this period of time, there's a number of things that can be done to avoid this suspension from going into place. A lot of it will depend on what the issue you have is, what the reason for the suspension is. If it's merely an unpaid ticket, we can help you get in contact with whatever clerk of the court the money is owed to, or the ticket is suspending your license. Get that cleared up. If it's child support issues, we can deal with the Department of Revenue, get you clearance letters to get that suspension off. If we're successful in getting these suspensions removed prior to the suspension date, then you will not have to worry about paying any type of reinstatement fees. If we can't get the issues cleared up by the time the suspension does get into place, then we'll do everything we can to get you your license back as quickly as possible. Once we receive a phone call, we can pull your driving record, see what's on there, see what the suspensions are, and we've been extremely successful in avoiding whatever suspensions the DHSMV is trying to put in place from going into effect. We'll clear up your child support issues, we'll get those unpaid tickets taken care of. If you're an HTO, we can get that removed, get you your full driver's license back. If we're not successful in getting you a full driver's license back, there is always the potential that we may be able to get you a hardship license, which would allow you to continue driving for business purposes. Regardless, you don't want to have a suspended license in Florida. You need to drive in this state. It's a state that is not easily accessible without being able to drive. There's a vast majority of individuals in this state who are currently driving with a suspended license and they don't even know it. So I encourage you to go to DHSMV. They have a free driver's license check. You just simply type in your driver's license number. They'll pull up your record, let you know if there's any issues, see if there's any suspensions on it. If for some reason you find yourself in the unfortunate situation where you've either received this letter from the DHSMV telling you you're about to be suspended, or you go to their website and when you pull your driving record up, you see that there's a suspension already in place or one that is pending, feel free to give us a call. We'll sit down with you. We'll take a look at your driving record. We'll see what we can do to get that cleared up and get you your full driver's license back or avoid that suspension from going in place. Give us a call.